learners, welcome back to Tutorpedia, where learning is full of fun and smile. Today we are going to learn something very special. Can you guess what it is? Let me give you a hint. We can't make any word without them. Yes, they are vowels. In English, there are 5 main vowels. Let's say them together. A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes the letter Y also acts as a vowel like cry and baby. What exactly vowels are? Let's learn. Vowels are letters that makes our voice flow smoothly. When we say them, our mouth shuts open and air moves freely just like this. We will learn more in some cute animation of mouth saying A, E, I, O, U. Let's practice these sounds. Let's get started. Let's practice their sounds. A says A in apple and A in cake. E says E in egg and E in tree. I says E in ink and in kite. O says O in dog and in bone. U says in umbrella and U in unicorn. Let's understand this with the story.
We will see the power of vowel in the upcoming story. Once upon a time in Letterland, all the consonants lived happily with their vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. Together, they made word dance, sing and talk. But one sunny morning, something strange happened. The vowels were missing. No A, no E, no I, no O, no U. The consonant tried to speak, but without the vowels, it sounded like a silly scrambled puzzle. King C called a meeting. The consonant decided to go on an adventure to find the missing vowel friends. The letter searched high and low and finally spotted A on the road. But suddenly, ah! A screamed because a cat was chasing. Cat, help! Yelled A, hopping behind. Brave C, the consonant, rushed forward. Stop, cat! You can't scare our friend A. The cat paused and instant snuggled next to A. All the letters laughed. C said, C-A. Words like cat. You make them real. Without you, they are just C-T. A brushed off the dust, feeling proud. You are right. A cheered. I'm super important. Words need A to come alive. So A jumped back into place and suddenly at a cat. Everything made sense again.
Let's learn vowels in an interesting rhyme. A is for apple, red and round. It makes a sound all around. It can also say its name in cake and rain. It sounds the same.
E was in the forest. E was sitting on an elephant. The consonants saw E. They called E to come back. E joined them and made words with E.
Rhyme for E. E is for elephant, big and gay. It trumpets all loud all through the day. E says A in egg and bed and E in tree. That's what we said.
I was in the forest. I was sitting on a bench. S and T were looking for I. They found I on the bench. S, I and T made the word sit.
Rhyme for I. I is for igloo, cold and white. It shines in snow so clean and bright. I says E in ink and sit and I in kite. That's a hit.
O was playing with the dog park. D and G were looking for them. They found O with the dog. D and G called O to join. D, O and G made the word dog.
Rhyme for O. O is for octopus deep in sea, waving his arms so happily. O says O in hot and top, and O in rose, it won't stop.
U was alone and sad. H and G were looking for you. They found you all by himself. They called you to come with them. H, U and G came together and made hug.
Rhyme for you. U is for umbrella on a rainy day, keeping us dry while we play. U says in cup and fun, and U in unicorn on the run.
Come on, kids. Let's get started the activity time. K-dash-ter, cat. B-dash-ter, bat. R-dash-ter, rat. Hope you understood the vowel A. K-atter, cat. H-dash-n, hen. P-dash-n, pen. T-dash-n, ten. Hope you understood the vowel E in elephant. E-eater, sit. F-eater, fit. V-eater, win. Hope you understood the vowel I. The eater, sit. D-dash-g, dog. J-dash-g, jog. L-dash-g, log. Hope you understood the vowel O. The auger, dog. B-dash-g, bug. J-dash-g, jug. R-dash-g, rug. Hope you understood the vowel U. A-g, hug.
Great job, children. Now you know all about vowels, the letter that make our words sing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutopedia for more phonics fun.